Hi, Career Explorations class. Sorry about the mix-up. I apparently didn't do something right on Google Classroom, and all of your stuff didn't end up being where I needed it to be. So, again, I apologize if this is a little later than I planned. Just to kind of reiterate a few things, last week you were turning in your grocery project. Um, I said due December 4th. I'm still going to take it. From now until tomorrow night at minimum, because I want you to do an actual response based off of like a classmate's video. So I want to make sure you actually get the video links in there. So the first thing I want to go over is like the video link spreadsheet. So you should have created your grocery project and recorded your presentation. And then I want you to add the link to this Google Sheet because Google Classroom has been having a lot of trouble uploading your video links. So I want you to take the link that you created based on your, um, sorry, based on your YouTube video or however you did it, and put your link in here wherever your name happens to be. Okay, that way your classmates can actually see your video. So once you've put your video on this spreadsheet, that will then help you with the discussion post. So the discussion post is actually a Flipgrid post. And when you log into Flipgrid, you have to use @student.gckschools or your your email with @gs.gckschools. If it really is giving you problems, you can put this password in as a guest and log in as a guest. Leave that one as a last resort. So when you click on it, it's going to, now for me, I'm going to have to show you on like, with the password because I am not using the right login right now. So the password is going to be buffs 2020. Okay, show you really fast. It's also listed in Google Classroom. So if you have to, you can then use that. And then you're going to read over what you need to do. So your response, you're going to be using the link to a spreadsheet in Google Classroom, which you should have already done. Then you're going to choose at least one classmate and watch their video. Then record your response answering these 4 questions. So that's what you're going to do for your discussion post this week. Instead of making it due on Wednesday, I'm giving you until Friday to respond to at least one classmate. It would be helpful if you would respond to more than one. So that's the first 2 things you're going to do. The first one being put your link in the spreadsheet. The second one is answering the discussion post. And then this is the last set of worksheets before we wrap up our living on minimum wage. So when you open that, it's going to be talking about like living expenses for like clothing, pets, miscellaneous, things like that. Then it's also going to do like the fun stuff. So you're going to do some searching for cable, then internet, then cable and internet, and kind of figure out like how expensive is it. You'll probably get sticker shock. I did. There's also like cell phones per month, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, all that fun stuff. And you just have to fill this out to the best of your ability and then submit it back to this folder. This is also due on Friday. So you have to post your video link, answer the discussion post, and fill out this worksheet for Friday. The other thing I put in here for you is the job shadow log. You had one paper copy already, which you can just take a picture and turn into here if you want. And then you can download this and re-upload it once you have your job shadowing hours done. It will be open until January 15th because we'll be done with class January 21st. So hopefully you have all of your job shadowing done before January 15th, but I'm giving you until at least then. You only need 15 hours. If you have struggled with gaining hours or finding a place, please email me. We can talk it out and we'll kind of work on something to do instead. Well, I don't know what that'll be at this point, but we'll work through it. I hope that made sense. And again, please email me if you have questions. You have a Zoom chat with me that's open in Google Classroom, so just let me know if you need help. Thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.